Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G34 smartphone. In this video you will learn how to take background blurred image in your phone Moto G34. First of all, go to the camera of your phone and go to portrait. Now take a photo. Focus on any subject. Here this flower is the subject, okay, and take photo. Okay, I also take another one with the ski. Okay, see in the taken photo, open the photo, see here subject is clear and background is blurred. Okay, see, I zoom, see this previous photo. Wow, what a nice photo. So in this way you can easily take background blurred image in your phone Moto G34. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.